Well, I don't know how on earth I missed this, but when plants look like they're dead, sometimes there's actually something still attached and you do happen to miss it until you try and pull it out. Let me show you what I mean. Just as you're thinking your zucchini plants, courgettes, are dying off, pretty much all dead, there's nothing left in there, you don't expect to find down here a rather large one, or one that literally fell off as soon as I touched it. Look at the size of that. I'll give you an idea of how big that is. Put that there. That is a standard pot. So let's just get the other one. There you go, not as big, but still blooming big. That is crazy. That is going to make a lot of bread, definitely. You don't want to eat them as they are, because they are going to be really rough. They're not for eating, they are for making bread. It's going to be good. Plus, I did a little search around and I found an Italian ribbed one, and oh, there we are. Another one. And look under here. There's another one. And that also is pretty darn big. And I'm hoping we might get more, because look down here. Let's hope for the best. I literally came out here to pull out a couple of really dead as a dodo plants, and I didn't expect to find this massively long one, this massively thick and long one, and the other one as well, not to mention 3 other ones which are still growing in the garden. So I am really, really happy with that. I am just going to think, well, I'll leave those ones there, because really having lots and lots of chance of lots of zucchini bread, rather than having maybe 1 or 2 meals, makes me more happy. So that's what I'll do. I'll leave them there for now. But all of these, they're going to be grated, put bags of 3 cups a piece, because that's basically what our recipe for the bread turns out with loads of chocolate chips in, of course, and when it's warm, some butter on top is, oh my god, yum yum. With that, I am going to take these indoors, get them all grated up, and start the job. Oh, they're cold. Bit of a colder day today. It's not really warm as normal, so you can tell fall is coming along. But everyone, I do hope you have a great day. Do look under your plants. Make sure you might have something else growing and you want to pick it before maybe it goes bad, or just because it seems a good plan. Right, everyone, you all take care. Goodbye and God bless. Bye-bye.